What's good? What's good? And welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to quickly go over ADA. Not much has changed, but we'll do a quick little analysis here. So we're sitting at $2.40. We're down almost 4% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of $75.52 billion. 24-hour volume is $3.06 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, join the world's fastest crypto growing app. My favorite app for investing. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour chart for ADA, and you can see we're just slightly starting to break our neckline here on the 4-hour time frame. So if you do see us back test it as resistance, that's when we could see that continuation of a rollover to the downside here. We are underneath the EMAs on the 4 hours. So if we come up, we hit them as resistance, we back test this trend line, we could roll over and come down to 225. We do have a technical target down at $1.89. If we look at ADA here on the daily, you can see 225 also lines up with the 55 EMA and was a previous swing high. So I think that would give us a good opportunity to bounce. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, we're still consolidating within this channel, within this bull flag. So really, I'm just waiting to see if we're going to break down or break up out of this flag here. And that will determine where ADA will go moving forward. If we see Bitcoin come up and break this trend line of resistance and head up to 48.3 and possibly 49.4, that's when we can see ADA start to break these levels of resistance, get back above the EMAs, break 249 and come up to 275. And then you have your all-time high at $3.09. But as long as we're underneath the EMAs, and if we stay underneath our neckline of our head and shoulders pattern, then I do see us coming down to this level of support at 225. If we look at ADA here on the 1 hour chart, you can see we're having the bearish cross of the EMAs on the hourly. So the more we hit them as resistance, the higher likelihood we come down to 225. But guys, if Bitcoin does break upwards here and we break out of this pattern, that's when we can see ADA start to come back up to these price targets, 275 and $3.09. If you'd like to trade ADA, I would definitely recommend Bybit. You can leverage trade or spot trade it. If you'd like to learn about leverage trading, you can check out my full length tutorial. $600 bonus for signing up to Bybit. Over 2,000 on Phoenix. Both platforms are great for leverage and spot trading. All right, guys, you can check out the Discord. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.